Hi everyone, welcome to Wealthy Mindset. My name is Oliver. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Hope you guys are having a great day like always. In today's video, I'm extremely excited and overall it's going to be extremely important. Definitely watch it all the way through the end. Now I'm going to be covering GameStop from March 10th to March 15th. The reason why I'm extending it to March 15th is because the pandemic relief bill is expected to hypothetically pass on March 12th, if not March 14th, the latest. So if that passes, that's going to be even more of a catalyst for this stock because stimulus checks will be coming out, all this stuff. Maybe hedge funds don't want to see all those because there's technically, hypothetically, people like assuming that people are just going to be putting money from the stimulus checks to the GameStop, because if you guys all know about that spiel of what happened before, it was kind of hilarious in terms of like people going on news saying you can't do this and that stuff, whatever. So basically, there could be that catalyst of good news in terms of the stimulus bill in general, and plus hypothetically hedge funds thinking that are shorting it don't want to go through that whole entire next 2 weeks of checks coming out and funds coming in. So all that spiel. Now, I usually cover the highs and lows in terms of the support levels and resistance levels. I'm only going to cover the highs right now. If you want to see the support levels, definitely watch the last 2-3 videos. Those support levels are still support levels, and I go more in depth in those videos, so definitely watch those. I do this by analyzing the graph, by the way. And quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a professional, and everything I do share with you guys is just my opinion. It is not advice, so please do not buy or sell based off the information I show you or the opinions I do form. Take everything with a grain of salt for sure. So now looking at the graph, given all those catalysts that I mentioned, everything looks to be pointing to the upside. Again, take everything with a grain of salt. I've mentioned these upward trend support lines dating back since September 2020 and December 2020. I'm not going to go through them fully right now. If you want to see them, they're in the past videos. I'm going to get to this main one right here. So we have an upward trend support line that dated back since February 25th, kept it intact. That was the reason why I was like staying positive with overall. I thought we were going to continue on to the upside around here. I believe. And what I'm trying to say is I believe we're still going to go to the upside. The only spot we're going to have issues on, and if we pass it, and I think we will pass it, given the whole entire spiel of like the pandemic relief bill and all the stuff that I mentioned, that once we pass about 285 to 290, if you want to like make sure that we completely passed it, we're just pretty much going to continue all the way to 322 to 337 around there. Then I saw like 340, 344. So pretty much literally jump, in my opinion, from 290 to 322. That's what I think is going to happen. Now, yes, there could be resistance at the $300 price point because hypothetically, like the clean dollar price points are like psychological numbers that cause resistance automatically or support. But from what I saw, it looks like it's going to be a clean jump. Not a clean jump exactly, but relatively speaking, right? Because there will be a little bit of resistance, but it's going to be at ease going up to 322 to 337, somewhere between that range, to 340, 344. After that, who knows? It has to be assessed more. And I apologize for how short this video is. It was just to let you guys know overall in terms of levels and how you guys are looking. But thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys did like it, consider dropping a like. Helps the channel a lot. If you do like videos in terms of stocks, finances, passive income, mortgages, credit scores, definitely consider subscribing so you can be notified when those videos do come out. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.